So today we're going to take a look and a good look at an alternative to Downloader. Downloader has been a great servant for all of us on Fire Sticks, Android TV boxes for a long time, Google TV boxes, and it still is a great app. We're not hating on Downloader, but it's around, there is other options out there. So we're going to look at another option. This is an option that I developed, I bought out, and yes, let's be honest, it will be a little bit of self-promo because I launched it, I made it, but that doesn't mean I don't use Downloader. We still use Downloader. Downloader is a free app. We're going to be talking about a free app, and that free app, you know, they're both the same. No one's making any difference. No one's hating on anybody before they all start in the comments. But there's been some updates on Downloader. Some people like them. Some people don't like them. The new update is a good browser. Still works very similar. The only thing I was a little bit disappointed with was it's the first time we've had an update on Downloader for a long, long time. And I was expecting maybe a few more features would have been quite nice because times change. But obviously, other things which makes it such a strong option, Downloader, is simplicity. Makes people use it, and simplicity goes a long way, because what we're going to talk about is an option called Firesend. Some of you may have used it already. People who have followed me would have heard me talking about it. We've been talking about Downloader for the last couple of weeks, so we're going to go back on to talking about Firesend for a little bit, and I'm going to show you a few features. Okay, Firesend has some great features within the app, and it's free to get, and everything we do on Firesend, before someone says underneath you have to pay to use it, you do not, and it has no adverts in it either. Okay, so what you're going to do, first of all, you're going to hit follow button on this if you're brand new. And I'll show you how to use Firesend to get apps, install apps. You're going to hit that follow button and you're going to comment underneath. Just say hello, anything. Chuck me some comments or your thoughts on this video. So on your magnifying glass or on the Android TV or Google TV or Google, in your store, search Firesend, Firesend. Click it. And then there you go, you can click it and install it. So this is Firesend. As you see, compared to other apps, there's a bit more to it. Okay, you've got your dashboard, which tells you what's going on, tells you if your device is protected, which is great. Tells you how to install apps if there's not things. It's a little bit squashed there, so I might look at that just above my head. And we'll have a look at that, but that's just all how you turn on install unknown sources, things like this, and all about rating. But that's not a screen to click on. So what you have on this, similar to other apps, is you have browser. So the browser allows you to search your URL, and you can, if you want to, enter downloader codes as well. This was an added feature requested by users. Downloader codes, all they actually are is short codes. So if you use aftv.news/ and a number, that is your short code. So if you did that, it would still redirect through AFTV's platform, so they still get their ad revenue. So nothing's been taken away from them either. So you can still put your popular codes in here if you want to. So for example, 75726. Click next, and it will load through. Here we go, AFTV News, URL shortener. That will come up for us. It will redirect, and it will take us through to the page. Okay, this is taken through to my page, and you can have a little look around, or you can do your thing if you want to. That's just a demonstration of how that works. You can also, in the browser, search anything you want to. Type search anything. The different thing about Firesend as well, you also have the option of rooms and shares. In a room, you can join a room if there's already been one created, and there's some on the website I will show you in a second. You can also upload apps off of your Fire Stick, as well. So that helps if you had an app on your Fire TV device and you wanted to move it to another Fire TV device. If you bought a brand new streaming device and you want to move apps off of your streaming device, that can be done as well. And this is what I'm trying to explain, how there's more things out there. It's an alternative. It's not an instead of. You can use it. You can use both of them. But this gives you a good option if you wanted to do more things from one. So if you wanted to do quick sharing room, for example, you click on it, and here we are uploading an app off of our device into that room. So if we've got apps on our device, I'll just upload, doesn't really matter, Aptoid TV. You click it, and that will upload it off of your Fire Stick, and then into a room, and in that room, that app arrives, and then you can go and install the Firesend app on another device, enter that room code, which is at the top, 13882, and then you can download it on any device. Doesn't need to be on a local network. You can send apps to your friends if you want to. Okay, these are some of the cool parts of what is on Firesend. Okay, there's guides on there which are more useful on the internet. And again, if you wanted to, you could enter that room code we just saw on your PC and you can download the file. You can get files off your PC. This is on a computer now. So if you wanted to browse suggested rooms, you can go to firesend.download, and there's some suggested rooms in there as well. You can create your own rooms. There's only so many suggested rooms because, like anything, it's down to a user to create rooms or app stores to be created. Firesend is just the product in the middle, okay? It is just the app, similar to Downloader. People make Downloader codes. Downloader doesn't make Downloader codes. Firesend, people make Firesend codes. Firesend does not make Firesend codes, if that makes sense. So it's just an alternative. As you'll see on mine, I've got both. I have Downloader here, where I use Downloader, and I created a Downloader store for you guys, for the followers. So if you wanted to, you can obviously open up your Downloader, and we have room or store Downloader code 75726. This is the new Downloader layout for those, and this is why some people haven't been too keen on it. That's why I brought up the video for the alternative. I think obviously a few things people don't like is how you straight into navigation, things like this. But the good news, well, from what I can see here, the advert's gone at the moment. Don't know why. We won't argue with that, but there was adverts on this last time, so maybe they've been restricted. I don't know. Google can be very funny about putting adverts on the front screen of things which are in a web view. So that will load through. And again, that works as well. So we also have Downloader codes. And we also have Firesend, which is an alternative for you guys to try. I know a lot of the people who follow me on other socials are really enjoying Firesend, but I know they all use Downloader as well. Same as me. So there we go. And it loads through. Running a little bit slow, it's obviously busy out there tonight. And here you go. If you get through to my website, which is docswiffy.com, you also see you are protected as well. Perfect. So I've been Doc Squiffy. That's just a quick alternative for you if you are looking for something else. If you're not having any luck with Downloader, if you're struggling, if you don't like the new layout, we do have Firesend as well. Perfect. It's available on mobile phones, Android TV, Google TV, Android, and PCs, and obviously Fire Sticks. Perfect. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.